7-5. Castle Creations has provided us another Phoenix 120. Excuse me, 68785. 68785. Yes, it does. It sure does. And a set of precision tools up here. We are 01576. 01576. Here's another set of precision tools. We are 01988. 01988. How about a set of halo blades again here? Thank you, Bobby Watts. We are 01393. 01393. That's a set of 610s from Halo. Draw me a number. Align fuselage for T-Rex 250 01950. 01950. That's a good number. We have 92960. 92960. Scorpion's got some other items here for us. 06990. So we're 69990. 69990. If anybody looks